Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall WhatsApp on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, locate WhatsApp on your home screen. Tap the WhatsApp app and hold on to it until a menu appears. In the menu that appears, select the Remove App option. Choose the Delete App option to confirm that you want to uninstall WhatsApp. Finally, tap on the delete option and now WhatsApp will be uninstalled from your device. And this is how you can uninstall WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.